But what is detox water? It's water infused with fruit and vegetables. You know, fruits and vegetables can have so many benefits for your body. Hello and welcome back to a new episode here in Aquafeel Maryland. My name is Jaime Turces and today we're going to talk about how important is detox water in your health. Remember to subscribe, like and share this information and video with someone that you think it might be helpful. What is detox water? We have heard this word lately a lot of times, right? Thousands of times. So using detox water instead of those expensive detox beverage is better because water is essential for our health and our body. Water carries nutrients to our cells, help us in the digestion process, and also flushes toxins out of our body. And one of the most important things about water is keeping our kidneys healthy. So it is a good idea to incorporate a detox water regimen into our diet or daily routine. But what is detox water? It's water infused with fruit and vegetables. You know, fruits and vegetables can have so many benefits for your body because it has so many nutrients that can help your cells, can help in the hydration process, can help flushes toxins out of your body, all of those bad things that we don't need. These nutrients from the vegetables or from fruits can help it. And when you combine this with pure water, it's even better. How can I make detox water? Well, making detox water is very easy. Simply chop one of your favorite fruits, vegetables or herbs and mix them with hot or cold water, because you can make like a hot tea with mint leaves, for example, or you can chop cucumber and add cucumber to the water. Lime with water can have so many benefits when you're feeling like you have like stomach ache or you have like a digestion problem. You can throw in the water as many fruits and vegetables or herbs as you like. Cucumber, watermelon, pineapple, cinnamon, mint. There are so many different options and how these can help not only your health, but you know, something really important these days is like weight loss. We are on an obesity pandemic right now here in the United States, so it's so important to keep active, and people has been trying to weight loss so much. And then there are a few secrets and a few recipes that we can provide just in our new ebook that you will find the link in the description. You will have so many different advices and so many good options that you can incorporate to your diet, so the process of weight loss is easier. But how can detox water help in the weight loss process? Well, it boosts your metabolism because of these nutrients that you are adding to the water. And when you are drinking pure water, your body is actually cleaning from all those fatty acid, from all those toxins that are released from the body when you have like a bad diet, or you've been having like a bad diet and not doing like healthy choices on food, on drinks and everything. So it's really important for you to drink pure and safe water. Another benefit from detox water in the weight loss process is that controls the hunger pangs, because when you are constantly drinking water that it has so many benefits, you will like control your hunger, and you will not have to be eating like, you know, snacks or cookies that does not provide any benefit to your health. So you can add, or you can have like a prepared bottle with all these detox water, add with root vegetables and herbs, that you like, the flavor that you like, you will really enjoy it. But as I said before, go check out our new ebook. You will find the link in the description. Remember that here in Aquafeel we are here to help you. If you need a water test, please reach to us to get a free water test in your house, and see the options that you have to have pure water, but not only to drink but for your whole entire house. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Goodbye.